on financial digital tools for students. Managing money while studying can be overwhelming. There's tuition, rent, bills, and let's not forget about the occasional treats or trips.
But here's the good news. Today's technology offers amazing tools to help you budget, track spending, and even invest.
All tailored to yourself as a student. Let's explore how these tools can make your finances easier and stress-free.
Let's start up with good budgeting apps. Budgeting is the foundation of good financial management, and apps like Mint YNAB and Good Budget can make this process even more simple and enjoyable.
Take Mint for example. Mint connects directly to your bank accounts and credit card. It automatically tracks and categorizes spending, whether it's for groceries, transportation, or entertainment.
What's great about Mint is it visualizes your financial data in charts, and it also sends you alerts when you are close to overspending in a category and when your bills are due.
Mint is perfect for students who are just starting to track their finances because it's free and easy to use. You don't need to be a financial expert. It does all the hard work for you so you can focus on staying within your budget.
Now, let's talk about YNAB, which stands for You Need a Budget. Unlike Mint, YNAB takes a proactive approach. Instead of just looking at what you have spent at the past, it encourages you to plan ahead.
With YNAB, you will assign every dollar a job, whether it's paying for textbooks, saving for rent, or setting aside money for a night out.
The app teaches you to build financial resilience, and this is so helpful for the students who want to build financial independence.
Although YNAB has a subscription fee, it offers a free trial and is worth the investment if you want to take control of your money.
Now let's look at tools for tracking spending and investments. Qapital is a popular app for your day-to-day life expenses.
One of its standout feature is In My Pocket Summary. This shows you exactly how much money you have left to spend after deducting your bills, goals, and other financial commitments. Think about it. How many times have you wondered if you can afford something without dipping into your savings?
Pocket Guard gives you that clarity in real time. It's especially useful for students juggling part-time jobs or limited allowances because it ensures you don't overspend and keeps you on track.
And for those of you who are fascinated with investments, apps like Robinhood and Acorns are great starting points. Let's talk about Robinhood first. It's a commission-free platform that allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and even cryptocurrencies. It's super user-friendly, and the best part is that you don't need a huge sum of money to start investing. With just $5 or $10, you can begin building your portfolio. Now Acorn takes a different approach. This app is all about micro-investing. Every time you make a purchase, Acorn rounds it up to the nearest dollar and invests a spare change in a diversified portfolio. For example, if you buy coffee for 250 rupees, Acorn will round it to 300 and will invest the remaining 50 automatically.
Don't forget about financial calculators and resources. These are incredibly helpful when planning long-term goals like repaying student loans and saving for a big purchase.
Sites like Bankrate offer free calculators that can estimate your loan payments, help you figure out how long it will take to pay off debt, and calculate how much you need to save to reach a specific goal.
For example, let's say you are considering taking out a loan for a study abroad program.
Bankrate's loan calculator allows you to enter the loan amount, interest rate, and repayment period. In just a few seconds, you will see the monthly payment amount and the total cost of the loan. This kind of tool is essential for making informed financial decisions.
Another great resource is Khan's Academic Personal Finance Section. Completely free and covers the wide range of topics, including budgeting, investing, and managing debts. The lessons are easy to understand and perfect for beginners. And if you prefer to using apps, try Calc Made Easy. It is a versatile app that offers the range of financial calculators.
Whether you are trying to figure out how much interest you will pay on a credit card or how much to save each month for a vacation, this app has you covered.
So many options out there. How do you choose the right tool?
The first step is understanding your needs. Are you looking to track your spending, create a budget, or start investing?
Each tool is designed for a specific purpose, so identifying your goal will help narrow down your options.
Think about usability. Some apps are more intuitive than others, and as students, we want tools that are quick and easy to use.
Also,
Consider cost. Many apps like Mint Acorns are free or have affordable plans. However, premium options like YNAB may require a subscription. Finally, don't forget about security. Make sure the app you choose uses encryption and other security measures to protect your financial information.
Managing money doesn't have to be complicated or stressful. With the right digital tools, you can take control of your finances and set yourself up for a successful future. So go ahead, explore these tools, start budgeting, and maybe even invest in yourself. Thanks for watching. Take charge of your finances today.